Good morning students and welcome back. So we completed in the previous presentation synonyms part 1 and part 2. Today we'll be talking about the new topic, that is antonyms. Now what is antonym, students? Right, synonym means the words or phrase with a similar meaning. Now antonym means word that means the opposite of another word. That means the opposite meaning, right? So let's look at the antonyms one by one. So the very first one is abundance. 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 That means scarcity. SCARCITY. It doesn't mean, it's the opposite word of abundance. Okay. Next is accept. 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 The opposite of it is reject. 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 Next is ancient. 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 The opposite of this ancient is modern. 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 Next is accumulate. 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 Opposite of the same is scatter. 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 Next is answer. 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 The opposite of the same is question. 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 Next is achieve. 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 Opposite of the same is fail. 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 Next is adversity. 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 The opposite of the same is happiness. 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 Next is boring. 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 The opposite of the same is interesting. 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 Next is beneath. 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 Opposite of the same is above. 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 Next is blessing. 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 Opposite of the same is curse. 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 Next is betray. 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 Next, opposite of the same is protect. 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 Next is chilled. 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 Opposite of the same is warmed. 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 Next is comfort. 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 Opposite of the same is discomfort. 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 Next is credit. 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 Opposite of the same is debit. 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 Next is doubt. 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 Opposite of the same is assurance. 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 Next is demand. 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 Opposite of the same is supply. 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 Next is dim. 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 Opposite of the same is bright. 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 Next is dawn. TAWN. Dawn. Opposite of the same is twilight. 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 Next is deter. DETER. Opposite of the same is encourage. 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 Next is empty. 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 Opposite of the same is full. 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 Next is extreme. 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 Opposite of the same is moderate. 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 Next is exhausting. 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 Opposite of the same is relaxing. 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 Next is fertile. 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 Opposite of the same is barren. BARR again means BARR EN. Barren. Next is familiar. 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 Opposite of the same is strange. 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 Next is famous. 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 Opposite of the same is infamous. infamous, infamous. Next is foolish, foolish, foolish. Opposite of the same is wise, wise, wise. Next is foreign, foreign, foreign. Opposite of the same is native, native, native. Next is fortune, fortune, fortune. Opposite of the same is misfortune, misfortune, misfortune. Next is guilty, guilty, guilty. Opposite of the same is innocent, innocent, innocent. Next is knowledge, knowledge, knowledge. Opposite of the same is ignorance, ignorance, ignorance. Okay students, so here we completed the first part of the antonyms. We'll be soon back with the second part. Till then, practice your pronunciations. It has to be perfect, but also remember these are the opposite words, not the similar ones. That's why it is called antonyms and not synonyms. Okay, so practice. Have a good day. Take care.